Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve case study problem sum that had appeared in the university paper in the year November 2024 under the subject Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V student. So in this video, we are going to take up the case study. Okay, go through the case study. Okay, try to understand what question are they asking, and then we'll be answering them. Now remember, in case study, in order to solve case study, you need to have an idea of the entire syllabus, because problem solving case study will be based on any concept from the entire syllabus. Okay, so chalo, let us see what case study had been asked in November 2024 question paper and how to solve them in the most appropriate manner. Read the following case and answer the questions given below. Now they are giving you Happy Kid is a toy manufacturing company which is in the business for the past 2 years or 2 decades. The manufacturing unit is situated in Mumbai. Okay, while its sales and marketing are spread over a large geographical areas, especially in major cities across the country. Over the years, a number of competitors has sprung in the field, and far from child's play, the company found that the toy sector is a tough business. Some of the business or problems faced by it are: number one, there is massive sale during festival season, and if the company products is delayed, the valuable market is missed. Second, they said that fashion or cult status product influence the market, and any wrong decision in this matter means loss of sale and build-up of unwanted inventory. Third, they are giving you that there are high marketing and promotional costs, and if these programs go out, the sales drop massively. Any misjudge of the market can also mean closing down of the company. The company has problem regarding stock holding at a distributor center, and this is mainly due to wrong input from feedbacks and improper surveys. The company relies mainly on hired fleet of road transport. The services are not up to the mark in terms of delivery schedules, safety of the goods, and pilferage or theft and mishandling of product. The marketing strategies are far from adequate. Okay, they are not effective enough to counter the strategies adopted by the competitors. So you are called upon as the management of Happy Kids to head their logistic operation, and you are required to study and guide the company with reference to the following question. So basically, Happy Kids is a toy manufacturing company. From past 2 decades, it's been there in Mumbai. Okay, but then there are a lot of challenges and problems which are faced by it. So as as a management, as a manager or as a management of the logistics, they are asking us to answer the following question. Number one, what strategies could Happy Kids implement to improve the reliability and safety of its transportation network, especially given its reliance on hired fleet for road transport? So there was a problem that because of road transport, they are not set up to mark the delivery schedule, safety of goods is issue, theft, mishandling. So what strategies can we use so that we can improve that? Okay, so let us see. So I'm writing answer number one, strategies to improve reliability and safety of transportation network. So under that, we'll write, to improve the reliability and safety of transportation, Happy Kids can adopt the following strategies. Number one, partner with a reliable logistic provider. Okay, the very first thing is you need to partner some reliable logistic providers. So tie up with reputed transport and 3PL, the third party logistic companies that have a strong track record in timely and safe delivery. So now remember, this point is from like the 4th module. Okay. Okay, the next point, use GPS tracking system. Install GPS devices in hired truck to monitor the location, speed and route, ensuring on-time delivery and reducing the chances of theft or mishandling. Again, this is also from the 4th module base. Next, insurance coverage, that is like a material handling base. Ensure that all goods in transit are fully insured to protect against the loss, damages or pilferage. Fourth, drivers training and safety guide. So train the drivers on safe handling of fragile toys, consignment and emergency procedures. See, because that was an issue, because there can be mishandling of product. So see, whenever they give you case study, whatever problems are there similar to that, only you have to give them the solutions. And last, we can write route the planning and scheduling. Use software for route optimization and scheduling to avoid delays and ensure timely delivery during peak season. Okay, so these were the pointers which are important from the first question point of view. So you can go through it once. Okay. After that, the next question that asks is, what role does collaboration with the supplier and distributors play in improving the responsiveness of Happy Kids to market trends and customers' preference? So if you collaborate with the suppliers and distributors, how can that be helpful in setting the market trends and customer preference? So now for that, so role of collaboration with the supplier and distributors. So the answer will start off with that way. So collaboration helps Happy Kids respond faster to market changes and customer needs through the following point. Number one, improved information sharing. Real-time sharing of demand data, sale trends and customer feedback allows faster production adjustment. Because now see, in this point where they said, okay, fashion or cult status provide product influence the market, and any wrong decision in this means a lot of loss of sale built up of unwanted inventories. Okay, also the company has problem regarding stock holding and in distribution center. This is mainly due to wrong input and feedback. So to improve that, okay, if you do collaboration with the supplier and distributor, then you will have improved information. Okay, so you can easily reduce the loss of the stock, unwanted stock and other issues. Second, better demand forecasting. Joint planning with the distributor and supplier help us to reduce the excess stock and avoid shortages during the festival season. That was like the first point ka issue. Next, quick product launches. Coordination allows faster introduction of new fashion or cult toys based on the current trend. So again, that was the problem. So fashion, see, toys are based on the fashion and cult status. If that goes away, if there's a delay in production, once the fashion is gone, it's gone. Like during the COVID time when fidget spinner had become a trend, it was for a short period, and after that it is evaporated. That's gone. That fashion is gone. Fourth, inventory optimization. Collaboration ensures the right quantity of stock is available at the right place, reducing the holding cost and waste. And lastly, stronger market presence. Joint marketing and promotional efforts with the distributor will increase the brand visibility and responsiveness to competition. So these are the 5 important points which I felt was very important from the question what they had asked. Okay, how does collaboration helps? Okay, so you all can note down that once. Again, there is no fixed format for case studies. For case study, you need to cover up the entire syllabus. You need to know the entire syllabus. Secondly, in a very simple point, whenever they give you any problem, you try to give them a solution to those problems based on the pointers what they have given. Okay, so last one. As a logistic department head, what suggestion would you recommend to the toy manufacturing company to solve the above mentioned problem? So now there were all these problems, so now we have to just consolidate all the problem and give them the solution. So recommendation to solve the problem, solve the company's problem, which was a 5 mark ka. First, as a head of logistic department, the following steps are recommended. So Sasi, if you look carefully, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems are there. So it's up to you now. It's for 5 marks, so you can give even 5 points or all 7 points. So number 1, adopt technology for supply chain management. So implement ERP or SCM software for real-time tracking of production of inventory and delivery. Demand forecasting and market research is very important. Conduct proper surveys and use data analytics to predict demand accurately and plan production accordingly. All these are from the syllabus only. Okay, all the pointers are from the syllabus. Seasonal production planning. Increase the production before festival season to meet high demand and avoid stock out. Strengthen the market coordination. Align logistic and marketing teams to ensure promotional campaigns match the product availability. Build reliable distribution network. Develop regional distribution centers near major market for faster and cheaper delivery. use third-party logistics that we already discussed in the first answer also. And lastly, regular performance review. Monitor logistic KPIs such as delivery time, cost per shipment, damage rate for continuous improvement. Okay, so these are the important pointers or recommendation that I felt was, according to the answer, according to the question that they had asked. Again, for case study, you need to go through the entire syllabus, note down the important pointers from the syllabus, and based on the problem, you need to solve it. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have noted down the three questions ka answers under this particular case study. I hope everyone have understood it. Chalo, with that, we'll be ending this video here. Thank you.